Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I'm very glad that you're a part of it. In this video, I talk about my personal fitness journey and workout strategy. At the end of the video, I'll be sharing some tips for beginners. So watch till the end. Let's start. I was an engineering student. I was very skinny. I spent most of my time with my books, with my laptop, with my phone. I used to study a lot and I did very well academically, but my body paid the price for it. I was not able to eat any food. I took 2 buses from my home to my college, and if I didn't get a seat, I used to have pain in my legs and in my lower back. Everybody I used to meet used to tell me to eat more food. I was very weak and I used to look very unhealthy. I even tried forcing myself to eat more food, but the result was that I gained abdominal fat and I looked worse than I used to before. I was 21 years old. I am 5 feet 11 inches tall and I weighed only 55 kg with abdominal fat. So one fine day I decided to start exercising. I got started by watching some YouTube videos and reading some articles. I have written a detailed article on my blog and on Medium, for which you can find the link in the description below. So I joined my campus gym, which was free to use for students. It wasn't a very fancy gym, it only had a few set of dumbbells, barbells and an elliptical machine. It was good enough for a beginner. For the first 3 months, I did full body workouts every alternate day. These workouts mostly consisted of compound exercises. Compound exercises are the ones that train more than one muscle at a time. The opposite of compound exercises is isolation exercises. These exercises focus on one muscle at a time. Your workouts in the beginning should consist mostly of compound exercises. In these initial 3 months, I learned different types of exercises and how to do them correctly. After these 3 months, I was not able to see a lot of physical change, although my friends kept telling me that I look different. Then I switched to lower body workouts and upper body workouts. So Monday was an upper body workout day, Tuesday was a lower body workout day, Wednesday would be a rest day. Then again on Thursday I would do upper body workout, Friday I would do lower body workouts, Saturday I would do cardio, and Sunday was again a rest day. I followed this for the next 4 months. After that, I switched to focusing on 2 muscle groups every training day. Soon, everybody, including me, was able to see my gains. I started wearing t-shirts that helped me flaunt my gains. This is what the workout looks like. Initially, I was so fixated on growing my muscle size that I completely ignored cardio and flexibility. I started by doing 5 minutes of HIIT, that is high intensity interval training, on the elliptical machine. Initially, I found it very difficult to complete even 5 minutes, but as I progressed, I got good at it. Cardio is very important for your body. For addressing the inflexibility of my body, I started doing yoga, and I have completely fallen in love with yoga. Everybody should try doing yoga or at least dynamic stretching. Buy a yoga mat. It is highly recommended as it will be very useful in all your HIIT workouts as well. The links are in the description below. All the products that I recommend have at some point been used by me. I don't recommend the products that I won't use myself. Don't repeat my mistake of ignoring flexibility. It will cause you pain in areas like lower back when you do squats or deadlifts. Focus on form and not weights. I have done this and I see a lot of people do this in the gym. If your form is suffering, lifting heavier weights won't give you bigger muscles. So focus on form and reduce your weight immediately if your form is suffering. Follow a warm-up and cool-down routine. As I had college to attend in the morning and I used to work out in the morning as well, I used to skip on warm-ups and cool-downs. Don't repeat my mistake. Follow a good warm-up routine. If you skip on it, you will be exposing yourself to injuries. After your workout, follow a cool-down routine. Do dynamic stretches or static stretches. I'll be making detailed videos about these soon, so subscribe now so that you don't miss any of my videos. Don't join a gym immediately. Start by doing bodyweight exercises, cardio and yoga at home. Do this for at least 1 month. This way you'll have more knowledge about your body, strength and confidence when you walk into a gym. Also, you will safeguard yourself from paying a gym membership and then not attending. I've seen this happen a lot.
I want to quit the gym.
You want to quit?
I want to quit the gym.
Maintain a journal. Keep track of your body weight. Weigh yourself every week. Also note down the number of sets and reps and also the weight that you lifted for every exercise. This way, you'll be allowing yourself to do progressive overload and not get lost. Click pictures of yourself every week. This way, you'll be able to see your progress better. Muscle building is a very gradual process. A lot of times you'll feel like there is no change. But if you look at your old pictures, you'll be able to see how far you have come. Be patient. This is the most important tip. Muscle building is a slow process. I see people walk into the gym, work out for a few weeks and then flex in front of the mirrors. Nothing is going to change in a few weeks. Be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day.
All good things to those who wait.
Don't trust anything blindly. There is a lot of misinformation on YouTube and elsewhere. Research everything before following anything. There is a lot of bad information out there that can cause you serious harm. Don't try to do everything at once. Start by making changes to your diet in the first week. Start working out in the second. In the third week, try eliminating sugar, and so on. This way you'll be building long-lasting habits. Don't compare yourself with anybody. Everybody is unique. We all have a unique set of genetics. I used to do this. I used to watch these YouTube videos about transformations and used to feel bad about myself. Most of these are exaggerated and fake.
Exaggerating is like telling the truth, only with little lies sprinkled in to make it, true.
Don't try to look like celebrities. These people have personal trainers and a huge set of supplements. And also there are rumors about steroids. Accepting the fact that you will not look like these celebrities will help you set realistic goals. Sleep. Try to sleep 7 to 9 hours every day. Your body builds muscle when you sleep. So prioritize your sleep. Find what makes you feel happy. Not everyone needs to be muscular. Find exercises that you enjoy doing. It can be yoga, calisthenics, running or swimming. Find foods and recipes that you enjoy eating. Be nice to your body and it will be nice to you. I feel much more confident about myself now. I feel more energetic and motivated towards all the things that I do. People look at me differently now. Also, they have stopped asking me to eat more. I look good in t-shirts now. All the skinny guys will know what I am talking about. I have seen positive changes in my skin, hair, nails and everywhere, thanks to healthy eating. Lastly, I now have a dating life that was non-existent earlier. I have made this video with the intention of helping people like me who are struggling with their body. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with any of your friends who can benefit from this video. If you have any questions or doubts, leave them in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care.